though you feel like nobody's listening, it doesn't mean you should throw a fit. So stop smashing things.
Okay, how about I just smash you?
Oh, man, not again.
That's how I lost my first tooth. Crazy, right? Whoa, where are you going? Ryan?
I gotta go take care of something.
Wait, is that Ben?
Oh, I don't know what I'm supposed to do with you, Simon. I give up.
You're a bad guy, so I gotta beat you up!
That's it.
That hurt, but at least this metal hand broke my...